Hello students. Today I am going to teach you about the kinds of or technical attributes of the propensity to consume. Consumption function or propensity to consume is of two types. Number 1, average propensity to consume. Number 2, marginal propensity to consume. Average propensity to consume. Suppose the national income of India in 2011 was rupees 1000 crore. Of it, rupees 800 crore were spent on consumption. It means that Indians spent 800 divided by 1000 equal to 80% of their income on consumption. It will be called average propensity to consume. The ratio of total consumption expenditure to total income is called average propensity to consume. In the words of Chandrikaa, the average propensity to consume is the ratio of consumption expenditure to any particular level of income. This can be explained with the help of following formula. Average propensity to consume is equal to consumption divided by income, that is APC is equal to C over Y. Further, we can explain APC with the help of a table. In this table, there are three columns. Number 1, income. Number 2, consumption expenditure. Number 3, APC. Income is 100 and 200 rupees. Consumption expenditure 80 and 120. APC is 80 over 100, 120 over 200, equal to 0.8 and 0.6. Further, this APC can be explained with the help of diagram. In this diagram, income is taken on x-axis and consumption is taken on y-axis. CC is the consumption curve and A and B are 2 points of APC. Next, marginal propensity to consume. Suppose the national income of India increases from rupees 1000 crore to 1200 crore and consumption expenditure increases from rupees 800 crore to 900 crore. Then the ratio of change in consumption expenditure by rupees 100 crore as a result of change in income by rupees 200 crore will be called marginal propensity to consume, that is MPC. MPC is equal to 100 over 200, that is 0.5 or 50%. In the words of Chandrikaa, the marginal propensity to consume is the ratio of the change in consumption to change in income. This can be further explained with the help of following formula. MPC is equal to change in consumption over change in income, that is MPC is equal to delta C over delta Y. For example, if income increases from rupees 100 crore to rupees 20 crore, then change in income is of 100 crore. That is 200 crores minus 100 crores. On account of change in income, consumption increases from 80 crore to 120 crore. Thus, change in consumption is rupees 40 crore. That is 120 minus 80. MPC is equal to delta C over delta Y, that is 40 over 100 crore equal to 0.4. MPC can be explained with the help of diagram and table. Also, in the table there are 5 columns. First is income, number 2 change in income, number 3 consumption, number 4 change in consumption, number 5 MPC, that is delta C over delta Y. Income is 100, 200, 300, delta Y, 200 minus 100 equal to 100, 300 minus 200 equal to 100, consumption 80, 120, 150, delta C 120 minus 80 equal to 40, 150 minus 120 equal to 30, 40 over 100 equal to 0.4, 30 over 100 equal to 0.3. This can also be explained with the help of following diagram. In the diagram, income is taken on x-axis, consumption on y-axis. A and B are 2 points where MPC is shown and CC is the consumption curve. MPC is delta C over delta Y.